New at 10, staying at home instead of returning to school classrooms next month could put the lives of many Alabama children at risk. Compared to last summer, the number of child abuse and neglect reports is down in the state. It's a trend officials credit to the coronavirus pandemic and fear it could worsen as students start the school virtually instead of in person.
It's important to note that traditionally, fewer child abuse and neglect cases are reported during the summer. In fact, 2017 to 2019 reports in Alabama dropped an average of 25% between May and June. However, in those same years, reporting increased by 28.3% from July to August. But as we look at 2020, not only is the reporting down compared to last year, but also there is a concern it won't increase in August.
WAAY 31's Megan Reyna learned more about what's causing the downward trend and what you can do if you spot neglect.
Child abuse and neglect did not take a vacation during the pandemic.
Every year in Alabama, thousands of kids face neglect and abuse and end up in foster care. And even as the world faces a health crisis, this type of crisis hasn't gone away, according to Karen Smith. She oversees Alabama's Children and Family Services.
Still there, it's still prevalent. There has been a decrease in abuse and neglect reporting. That doesn't mean that it's not occurring.
In fact, if you compare March, April, and May of this year to last year, reporting has decreased by about 26%, the most drastic drop in April.
Isolating or remaining in their home, that has limited children's access to outside resources, to church, to daycare, to school, to baseball teams, to baseball coaches, the extracurricular activities in which they usually participated in.
But Smith is also concerned about this upcoming school year. Educators are among the list of mandated reporters, and with some districts choosing to start the year off with remote learning, that could mean less reporting.
You also have bus drivers. You also have the janitorial staff, the lunchroom staff. So it goes beyond in a school setting just teachers.
However, anyone can report neglect or abuse. Some things to look out for are drastic mood changes in a child or a decrease in hygiene.
Just looking at the overall picture, has this child changed?
We reached out to all 3 districts in Madison County to see if they're speaking with teachers about how to spot neglect or abuse during the first 9 weeks of virtual learning. We only heard back from Huntsville City Schools. In a statement, the school said, quote, "The Huntsville City School Student Welfare and Social Services Department will continue to serve as a liaison between students, their families, and local social service agencies. Social workers will continue to provide services for students and families in addition to serving as a hub for any concerns."